Mae'n cwmpasu popeth mae Cymru'n cynrychioli. Ti'n cael y diwylliant, ti'n cael yr iaith, yn holl tirwedd ni. Gallai hwn fod ben draw'r byd a fydde ti'n teimlo bod ti yng Nghymru wrth eistedd o gwmpas y ford.
The setting, the story, food, absolutely superb. What a great advertisement for what the Welsh do.
It was really well done. It was really immersive. I really like the fact that, food is something that you experience not with taste, but with your senses. So I really like how they brought all that together.
Mae'r gromen yma, tu Cymru ni, mae'n le unigryw achos mae'n rhoi hyblygrwydd i ni fod yn mynd i lefydd gwahanol, cyflwyno gwaith cyfoes. Mae'n arbennig iawn.
To have an amazing dome set up for us, well, just a massive bonus.
Thank you very much to Visit Wales for allowing us to use this wonderful space in the dome this evening.
I thought it was fabulous. Well, I did know Wales was so beautiful, but when it's actually presented to you in that way, it just actually makes me want to hop on a plane and go.
It was a perfect experience for me. It actually made the journey here to London worth the trip, this experience.